Hey, crypto family, how you doing? Hope that you're having a good day. So a major obstacle has been removed. We got a key report today. I'm going to share that with you and explain everything. So if you'll do three things for me, I would greatly appreciate it. Please hit that like button here on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button here on YouTube if you haven't already done so. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. And got something cool for you. If you are wherever you're at, if you're on YouTube or on X, there's a link below in the description on YouTube, below the video on X. Go sign up for my free newsletter. I'm going to email you twice a week. No spam, no junk. This is a newsletter to help you generate more profits, more wealth in stocks and crypto. And it's packed full of value content. Okay. And it's 100% free. Just need your name and your email. Links are right down there below. Go get it. Okay. So, what is going on today? Well, today we had the PPI, the Producers Price Index. This is a key inflation report that tracks on the production side, the manufacturing side, inflation. And what's interesting about this is that it came in today, and the report came in basically, it was up 2.6%. But the lead story is that is way lower than expectations of 3.3%. So what does this mean? This means that it's costing less for the manufacturers, the producers to manufacture and the goods that they sell here in the United States. But it also means, in my opinion, in a different way, that the tariffs are not negatively impacting the manufacturing side. Okay. And then also, this sets the stage for the consumer price index releasing on Thursday. This is the last clue to pressures before the Fed's policy meeting next week. So tomorrow we get a big report. Today we got PPI. Last week on Friday, we got the jobs report. The jobs report showed that we only added 22,000 jobs. The expectation was 75,000 or so, dramatically lower. So that said, again, right here, that the weakness in the jobs market cemented the conviction that a September rate cut is coming and stoking a rally in stocks and in crypto. Crypto is up today 2.2%. I firmly believe it's up because of this PPI, this producer price index report. That's why we're seeing a surge in Bitcoin, Ethereum, things of this nature. I don't expect to see a dramatic surge per se. I think it's kind of like what we're seeing here, because the other part of this equation is September 17th is when the Federal Reserve next week is meeting and going to be, excuse me, I got to sneeze, is going to be revealing how much they're going to cut the interest rate. The expectation was 25 basis points, 0.25. Now the rumor is that we could get a 50 basis point cut next week on the 17th. If we get that, guys, the markets are going to run. But I think you're going to see a little bit of this choppy volatility, up 2 or 3% on a given day, maybe 1 or 2% down. Markets really not going anywhere until we get maybe a couple of days out. And then we might start getting some speculative plays in crypto where people start to kind of run up, say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, so forth. But you know what I haven't looked at? And I haven't looked at volume. So volume is up 15% on Bitcoin. Okay. So volume is up 8% on Ethereum. Just looking at some of the big ones. Volume is down to 32% on XRP. That's intriguing. Okay. And it's still up 1.8% as far as XRP is. So the takeaway for the video is that the manufacturer inflation report coming in dramatically cooler than expected, 2.6%. The expectation was 3.3. We have another key report tomorrow. The CPI report is tomorrow. And then next week, September 17th, is when we get the big reveal on what's going to happen. So again, just want to make you aware of this, guys, kind of tell you that's what we're seeing. So with that, I agree. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. As always, it's been a pleasure. Go sign up. I couldn't figure out what I was going to say there. Go sign up for my free newsletter. Go get it. I promise you'll like it. See you.